Here's a question. Have you ever wondered what really makes intimacy unforgettable? Is it passion, technique, or the emotional connection? Today we're diving into a topic that can transform your relationship. How to create a deeply satisfying connection through oral intimacy. Now don't click away. This isn't just about techniques. It's about how you can nurture trust, love, and respect in ways you might not have imagined. Stick with me because by the end, you'll not only understand the how, but also the why of this intimate act. And trust me, your partner will thank you for it. Welcome to Love, Sex, and You, your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets to deeper love, better intimacy, and stronger relationships. Today we're diving into a topic that can transform the way you connect with your partner, how to create a deep connection through oral intimacy. Whether you're looking to enhance your emotional bond, master the art of pleasure, or simply bring more passion into your relationship, this video is packed with insights and techniques that are backed by science and designed to work in the real world. So if you're ready to take your intimacy to the next level and discover what truly makes a relationship thrive, stick around till the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We bring you empowering content every week to help you live your best love life. Did you know that intimacy begins way before the bedroom? Studies show that emotional connection is the biggest factor in enhancing sexual pleasure. It's not just about the physical act, it's about trust, communication, and vulnerability. Creating a safe space where your partner feels valued and understood is the first step. Compliments, meaningful conversations, and small acts of care are powerful foreplay. Research from the Kinsey Institute reveals that couples who communicate openly about their desires have significantly higher satisfaction levels. So before you think about technique, think about connection. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of oral intimacy. First things first, slow down. The female anatomy is incredibly sensitive, and rushing through this is like skipping the trailers at the movies. You miss all the buildup. Here's what science tells us. Start with anticipation. A gentle touch, a soft kiss, even whispering something sweet can set the stage. Explore beyond the obvious. While the clitoris is key with its 8,000 plus nerve endings, don't forget the labia, inner thighs, or even the lower back. Build the tension gradually. Experiment with rhythm and pressure. Studies suggest alternating between circular and vertical tongue movements can enhance stimulation. But remember, variety is the spice of life. Switch it up. And hey, if your tongue gets tired, think of it as cardio. Who needs the gym anyway? Now here's the secret most people miss: consistency. Once you find what works for your partner, stick with it long enough for the body to build arousal. Patience is key, and trust me, it pays off. And don't just focus on the physical. This moment is about showing love and care. Eye contact, gentle affirmations, and even holding hands can amplify the experience. Renowned researchers Masters and Johnson highlighted that mutual respect and love elevate sexual satisfaction to a whole new level. But what happens when physical connection meets emotional vulnerability? That's where true intimacy lies, and it's not just about the orgasm, it's about feeling seen, loved, and desired. Intimacy is more than an act, it's a journey. By prioritizing emotional connection and exploring with curiosity, you're not just enhancing pleasure, you're building a bond that lasts. Remember, sexuality isn't limited by age or experience, it evolves and deepens with time. If this video resonated with you, check out another video on our channel Love, Sex, and You, about creating unforgettable intimacy through foreplay. It's the perfect companion to what we discussed today. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join our growing community for more insights into love, relationships, and intimacy. Until next time, keep the passion alive and the connection deeper than ever. See you in the next video.